In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 important privacy settings you should check right now to help protect your phone number, personal data, and online privacy. And trust me, some of these settings are surprisingly easy to change. So, let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone, scroll down and tap on Google. On some phones, Google settings may appear near the top. Now tap on All Services and keep scrolling until you find Phone Number Sharing. If this option is turned on, your number may be shared across different Google services and apps. To keep your information more private and reduce spam calls or scam messages, turn this setting off. It only takes a few seconds, but it can make a big difference over time. Next, let's check your browser settings. Open Google Chrome on your phone, tap the 3 dots in the top right corner, then go to Settings. Now, tap on Addresses and More. Here you'll see saved information like your name, home address, phone number, and email used for autofill. Autofill is convenient, but it can also share personal information with websites faster than you may realize. Review the saved details carefully and remove anything you don't want stored on your device. You can also disable autofill completely if you prefer more privacy while browsing. Now for the final setting, go back to your phone settings and search for Permission Manager. Open it and you'll see permissions like camera, microphone, location, contacts, and phone access. Take a few minutes to check which apps have access to these permissions. If you notice an app that doesn't really need certain access, like a simple game using your microphone or contacts, tap on it and select Don't Allow. This is one of the best ways to protect your privacy, because many apps collect more information than they actually need. And that's it. Those are 3 simple privacy settings that can help reduce spam, improve security, and give you more control over your personal information. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.